Okay, this is how to use this website. So the instructions are over here. It's going to give you an intro, pretty much restating stuff that you learned in the notes and doing the interactive notebook assignment. But you do have to watch the video first. It'll give you an intro to how to identify the rocks by sight. So you can't see it down here because of all this stuff going on, but there's a video right here, and I just checked on my Chromebook, and all the stuff that you're going to need is pretty visible. So you're going to watch the video. You're going to have to be patient. It takes a little while to load. And I think this website actually takes a little while to load. At least it did for me. But I'm on my laptop. So anyway, watch the video. It'll tell you how to identify rocks, the three different types of rocks. So I'm going to pick up a rock, and I need to identify this rock. So I'm going to put it on the scale, and I need to try to figure out what type of rock that is just by looking at it. Okay, so it's parts cemented together, and I'm going to check that. Oh, I have to come up here and try to pick, based on the notes, the interactive notebook assignment, and the video, which type of rock it is. So I think it's a sedimentary rock. I'm going to go to conglomerate. I'm going to check, and I got it right. So
congratulations, you have correctly identified the selected rock sample.
Wow, thanks. Okay, so I'm going to take this rock into the sedimentary testing lab. And I'm going to do some tests. So type of sedimentary rock, there's some information here. I'm going to close that. You guys can read that. Size. Okay, I'm going to read that. Here's some stuff that you're going to need to fill out that table. And that's pretty much what all this stuff is trying to figure out how these things go on the table. So we've already determined that this is a conglomerate. The rest of it is just testing for the actual table, like filling out the table. So there's some more information about hydrochloric acid, which you'll see in the table. So go ahead and read that. And there's some tests like nope, didn't bubble. So you're going to mark that on your table. But that's it. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the main lab. I'm going to put this rock back, and I'm going to get the next rock. And I'm going to try to identify that as igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary, and then what the actual name is. And based on the name, fill out the table, and then do the tests in the lab. So again, I'm going to put that back, run through this again. So I'm going to make that conglomerate.
Congratulations.
Oh, she's going to talk to me again.
You have correctly identified the selected rock sample.
Good. Okay, so I'm going to take that to the lab. I'm going to look at the rock. Okay, and then based on these posters and what they say, I'm going to fill out the table that's linked on this assignment. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Be patient, waiting for this to load. Again, if you're having trouble with the flash, up here there's going to be a little like lock icon. And it might actually over here have like a flash thing crossed out. You're going to want to hit that and enable your flash. Okay, but any questions, just let me know. Okay, take care.